Okay. So, yeah. So, let's talk about polynomials. So, when we say polynomials, it's look like this. Look like this. So, that is a polynomial. So, a polynomial is an algebraic expression. Okay. So, when we say algebraic expression, it is a mathematical phrase. So, it is a series of number and letters, and operations, and even exponents. So, in polynomials, it made up of variables, numbers, called coefficient. When we say coefficient, ito yung mga number beside the variables. The variables are the letters. Ito, yung mga unknown factor. And the coefficient is the number beside it. Okay. So, it has a exponent that should be and always whole number. So, a whole number composed of number from 0 to infinity without fraction and decimals. So, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on and so forth. Ayun lang yung whole number natin. Okay? So, we have the form of polynomial here. It's look like this. Okay? Okay, so ganyan yung form of polynomial. So, this is the leading term. It has the highest exponent. Okay, the letter n. And going from left to right, it will decrease. Diba? So, n minus 1 until such time maging 2. Then, 1 is 1. But hindi na siya kaya sulat. And then, an. Okay, that's write it up. And an, which is the constant term. Or, this is the value without variable. Okay, so constant term na siya. It's just number lang. 3, 4, 5, ganun. Diba? So, from left to right, di-decrease yung exponent natin. Okay? So, that's the form of polynomials. So, let's try and see if ano-ano yung mga hindi dapat polynomials. Okay, so let's say we have x plus 2x minus 3 minus 7. Okay? So, tingin nyo ba this is a polynomial or not? So, as we said, the exponent should be always whole number. And titignan natin exponent. Ang odd lang na nakita natin is si negative 3. Bakit? Since negative 3 is not a whole number, it is a integer. Okay, when we say integer, it involves numbers with negative integers. Okay, if it's more specific, this is a negative integer, not just integer. Okay, so negative 3 is a negative integer. And hindi na siya kasama sa whole number. Okay, so rule number 1, Okay? Ang rule number 1 natin. Rule number 1. No negative exponent. Okay? Because if you have negative exponent, then hindi na siya whole number. And it defies the law of polynomials. So, what's the other example? So, let's say we have this. Okay? Okay. So, is this a polynomial or not? So, yeah, this is not a polynomial. Bakit? So, why? Because we have a radical value. And a radical value, okay, signifies a fraction exponent. Because if we write it on whole number form, it would become 2x raised to, this is 2, and this, they are raised to 1, so 1 over 2. Ganito siya. Okay. A, X, and Y. Okay. Yung index natin napupunta sa, or wait lang, itong A natin is this part, and yung X natin is mapupunta sa denominator, and yung Y respect sa loob mapupunta sa numerator. So ganyan magiging formula. So since this is 2 and this is automatically 1, we will have 2x raised to 1 and half. Okay? So ganyan natin nakuha si 2 raised to 1 half. 2x raised to 1 half. So 1 half is a whole number or not? It is not a whole number. So meaning the second rule should never have a radical sign. Radical sign. Okay. So what's the other rule? Okay. So related dun sa sinulat natin kanina. Okay. Di ba sabi natin bawal yung fractional. Okay, so what if may ganito na polynomial? Ayan, okay na yan. So, 4x squared minus 2x of raised to 1 half plus 2. We said na bawal ang fraction. Okay? This is same as the rule number 2. Since if you convert it into its radical form, magiging ganito siya. Okay? Diba? So, 1 half and fraction, exponent, and radical sign is malinagan. Okay? They are the same. Okay? Therefore, they are both mali. So, rule number 2. No. Rule number 3. No fraction, exponent. What is this? Ayan. So what if we have this? Okay. So 2 is to x squared plus x plus 1. So this is not a polynomial. Bakit? Why? Because if we have a number below, or if we have a number below a number, these two signifies what? If we raise it on top, this become 1 times 2 is to negative 1. Okay, same here. If we have 1 raised to x, if we put it on top, we have 1 times x raised negative 1. Okay, so if we have 2 over x squared, magiging 2 times x raised to negative 2 na siya. Okay, since pinunta na natin sa taas. So, pupunta tayo sa rule number 1, which is no negative exponent. So, therefore, hindi tayo pwede magkaroon ng variable in the denominator. Okay? So, this is wrong. Itong part na yan. So, rule number 4. Okay? No. My bad. Rule number 4. No variable in denominator. Since mag-yield siya again sa negative exponent. So, okay, this is interesting. Okay, 2x squared plus 2x minus 1. Okay. So, bakit mali siya? Okay. Mali na siya agad sa first term. Why? Because 2x squared. Okay? Hindi tayo pwede maglagay ng variable sa exponent. Again, whole number lang siya. So, meaning, bawal na si x. Since it is a variable, not a number. Second term, mali din. Okay? Since may x. So, rule number 5, logically, wala dapat variables sa exponent. It should be whole number lang palagi. No variable. So, ayan yung ano natin, rule natin for polynomial. So, let's move on sa parts ng polynomial. Okay, so we have times 2. Okay, so part of polynomial. Okay, so we have 2x squared. Okay, the first part that we will discuss is the leading term, and the leading term comes with the greatest or highest exponent. So meaning nasa left side siya most of the time. Okay, so this is the leading term since you have the x squared, and x squared is the highest exponent. I mean the highest variable with exponent of 2. So in 2x squared, I just see this leading term. Okay, so 2x squared. Since this leading term, this is called leading coefficient. And 2, which corresponds to 2x squared. This is the degree of polynomial. And this is an important part of polynomial. Since it describes what type of polynomial this is. Okay. So, yan. Leading coefficient for the 2x squared. I mean, for the leading term. Degree of polynomial, the highest exponent. And leading term for the highest term correspond to the highest exponent. So, kung nasan si degree of polynomial, nandun din si leading term, nandun din si leading coefficient. Okay, so what are the type of polynomial? Corresponds to the type of degree or number of degree of polynomial. So wala na tayong time again. Yeah, that's bad. Tuloy na lang natin. So let's go. Mamaya